What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. So I'm going to be showing you how you can make an extra $100 a day on Amazon straight from your phone. All right, so I'm going to pull up my Amazon account to show you that this is real, and then I'm going to get into the methods. If you have any questions about this stuff, just feel free to message me below, and I will get back to you. Okay, anyways, this is going to be my Amazon affiliate account. We're going to be getting into affiliate marketing in this video, and you can see in the last 7 days, I've earned somewhere around $664. I'm going to pull up the last 30 days on here so you can see that it's pretty much, you know, $100 a day. I think we're at $29.54. So, you know, short 50 bucks. You're going to have to give me a break on that. But basically, you know, at the $100 mark. The cool thing here is I'm not going to talk about selling stuff. I'm just going to talk about how you can promote things on a YouTube channel, an Instagram, a Facebook page, a blog, and literally start making $100 a day. And probably, you know, if you work at it every day, you could probably get it done in 6 months to a year if you have a following or know what you're doing. But anyways, the first way I'm going to be talking about here is going to be with Wealthy Affiliate. Now, this is basically a place where you can start to learn affiliate marketing if it's something you want to get into. It's my top recommendation right now because they've got tons of great video content on here. There is a huge community of people on here as well. So, I mean, you can sign up for free, but if you want to, you know, take it further, you can join the community. You can start to chat, learn different things, and probably just take it to the next level. It's going to take time to get good at this. It's not going to just happen, but, you know, the training on here is legit, and honestly, you know, like I said, if it's something you want to pursue, definitely recommend doing it. The way I do it is, you know, I've got multiple websites that I promote things on. You know, I've got a couple different YouTube channels. I've got an Instagram, small Facebook page, but that's really how you can get things rolling for you. And then the next way is going to be with Affilorama. These are basically like the two training places that I'm recommending because I've used both of them, and honestly, they've got a lot of good free stuff. And you know, eventually, if you want to take it to the next level, you could definitely do some, you know, paid stuff as well. So anyways, Affilorama is going to be my second option. And like I said, you know, for me, when I got to literally get into that $100 a day mark, you know, definitely felt really good. You got to put in a lot of work to get to $100 a day just through Amazon with affiliate marketing because the percentages are kind of low. But in total, I definitely make somewhere over, you know, $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing combined. And the cool thing is this is passive. Once you've kind of set up these methods, you know, you don't have to do anything. There's no additional work going on here. You can literally just set and forget and then continue to get better at what you're doing, promoting things and, you know, building up different channels, whether that's like an Instagram, like a blog, a YouTube channel, a website, a Facebook page, whatever it is, you know, you can definitely make it happen. So my two recommendations to everybody out there, if you want to start making $100 a day on Amazon right now through affiliate marketing, check out Wealthy Affiliate. That's my top choice. Affilorama would be my next choice. And like I said, if you have any questions about this stuff, just message me below in the comments. I'll get back to you. I'll have links down there in the description as well as a full review article if you want to learn more about this stuff. Please hit that like and share. Thanks for watching this, guys, and we will see y'all later.